Welcome to AI News Today, your daily AI news update for July 12th, 2026. Stay tuned for today's top stories in artificial intelligence. AI 101, Concept of the Week. What it is. Fine-tuning is taking a pre-trained AI model, like GPT or Nemotron, and training it a bit more on your own data to make it an expert in your specific task. Analogy. It's like buying a top chef, the pre-trained model, and giving them a week of lessons on your restaurant's secret recipes. They keep all their skills, but learn your style. How it works. 1. You start with a powerful base model, like NVIDIA Nemotron 3 or GPT, that already understands language. 2. You give it a small dataset of examples from your specific task, for example, customer support chats for your product. 3. The model does a short, focused training session, fine-tuning, to adapt its knowledge to your data, often using a service like Amazon SageMaker AI. Real example this week. AWS published a guide on fine-tuning NVIDIA Nemotron 3 models using Amazon SageMaker AI serverless customization. No servers to manage. Headline number 6. Why you should care. Fine-tuning is the most common skill employers ask for in AI job postings, and it's how you turn a generic AI into a valuable business tool. Last week's promise plus AI jobs this week. Last week we promised how to deploy your AI agent for free on the cloud. Here's the quick version. Use Hugging Face Spaces, huggingface.co/spaces. It's completely free and lets you upload your AI agent code, like a chatbot or image classifier, and get a public URL in minutes. No credit card needed. Employers can then test your project live. AI jobs this week. AI product manager at OpenAI, family experiences, $150,000 to $230,000. Skills, product strategy, user research, AI literacy. Machine learning engineer at Henry Schein 1, dental AI, $130,000 to $200,000. Skills, computer vision, Amazon SageMaker, model deployment. AI solutions architect at AWS, Bedrock Agent Core, $160,000 to $250,000. Skills, agentic AI, semantic layers, cloud architecture. Data scientist at Deutsche Telekom, AI native telco, $110,000 to $170,000. Skills, NLP, prompt engineering, AI integration. Hottest role this week, AI product manager. OpenAI is hiring specifically for family and household AI, showing a shift from enterprise to consumer AI. Top 3 skills to learn now. Fine-tuning. AWS just released a guide on fine-tuning NVIDIA Nemotron 3 models, headline number 6. This is the number 1 skill for landing ML engineer roles. Learn in 4 weeks. Agentic AI workflows. AWS launched Quick Automate for agentic case management, headline number 9. Companies are racing to build AI agents. Learn in 6 weeks. Open source AI model deployment. Hugging Face CEO says open source AI matters more than ever. Headline number 4. Employers want hands-on experience with models like Llama or Mistral. Learn in 3 weeks. If you learn one thing this week, fine-tuning. It's the skill that directly connects to this week's AWS news and is listed in 70% of AI engineering job posts. Free learning resources this week. Hugging Face course, h/huggingface.co/learn what you'll learn. NLP, LLMs, transformers, model deployment, time 8 hours free. Yes, why now? Hugging Face CEO just said open source AI is booming. 4. This course teaches you to use their platform. AWS ML blog, fine-tune NVIDIA Nemotron 3, aws.amazon.com/blogs, machine learning, fine-tune NVIDIA Nemotron-3 models with Amazon SageMaker AI serverless model customization / what you'll learn. Fine-tuning serverless deployment, time 2 hours, free. Yes. Why now? This is the exact skill AWS just announced. Follow the tutorial to build a portfolio project. Deeplearning.ai, https:/deeplearning.ai. What you'll learn. AI fundamentals, LLMs, prompt engineering, time 10 hours free. Yes, why now? Andrew Ng's courses are the gold standard for beginners. Start with AI for everyone. Anthropic Prompt Engineering Guide /docs.anthropic.com/docs build with Claude prompt engineering overview. What you'll learn. Writing effective AI prompts, controlling model output, time 2 hours free. Yes. Why now? Prompt engineering is the #1 skill for non-technical AI roles, and every AI tool user needs it. Start here today. Hugging Face course, huggingface.co/learn. It's free, hands-on, and directly connects to the open source AI trend from headline number 4. AI tools for beginners. Hugging Face Spaces, model deployment. Deploy your AI agent or chatbot with a public URL for free. No server setup needed. Perfect for building a portfolio employers can test. Free. Amazon SageMaker, great for learning cloud AI. Free tier, 2 months of T2 medium instances. Google AI Studio prototyping, test Google's Gemini model for free in your browser. No coding required to start. Best for beginners exploring prompt engineering. Free. LangChain Agent Framework. Build AI agents that can use tools and search the web. The most popular framework for agentic AI. Free and open source. Unsloth, modernization. Shrink large AI models so they run on your laptop. AWS just featured it in a deployment guide, headline number 10. Free. Best starting point for a complete beginner. Hugging Face Spaces. You can deploy a simple chatbot in 10 minutes for free, and employers can test it live. Career Action Plan. News Hook. AWS just published a step-by-step guide to fine-tune NVIDIA Nemotron 3 models with Amazon SageMaker AI serverless customization, headline number 6. Opportunity. Companies like Henry Schein One, Dental AI, headline number 7, and Deutsche Telekom, Telecom AI, headline number 11, are hiring ML engineers who can fine-tune models for specific industries. This skill gap is wide and growing. Your action this week. Follow the AWS tutorial to fine-tune a small model like Distilbert on a custom dataset, e.g. your own product reviews or support chats. Deploy it on Hugging Face Spaces for free. Add the public URL to your resume. Free resource, AWS ML blog, fine-tune NVIDIA Nemotron 3, https://aws.amazon.cogs, NVIDIA NV 3 models with Amazon SageMaker AI serverless mention AI serverless model customization. Complete this. The entire tutorial, it takes 2 hours. Result. Completing this puts you ahead of 80% of candidates for ML engineer roles, because most applicants have never deployed a model end-to-end. Next week preview. Next Sunday, we'll cover how to build your first AI agent with LangChain, no coding experience required. We'll walk through creating a simple agent that can search the web and answer questions, step by step. Cloud AI for beginners, compare and start. Azure OpenAI, best for using OpenAI models GP4, GP5.6 with enterprise security. Free credits, $200. Start, azure.microsoft.com, free AWS Bedrock. Best for accessing multiple foundation models, NVIDIA Nemotron, Anthropic Claude, Metallama in one place. Free tier, 1 month of model inference for new users. Start, aws.amazon.com/bedrock Google Gemini API. Best for experimenting with Google's latest Gemini model for free. Free tier, 60 requests per minute, no credit card needed. Start/aistudio.google.com. Easiest for a complete beginner. Google AI Studio. No credit card, no cloud setup. Your single first action. Go to https://aistudio.google.com, pick the Gemini model, and type "write a poem about fine-tuning." You'll see how cloud AI works in 30 seconds. Week in brief. OpenAI, ChatGPT is hiring a product manager focused on families and households. Headline number 1. This shows AI is moving into everyday life, creating jobs in product, UX, and ethics. Apple versus OpenAI. Apple sued OpenAI for alleged trade secret theft. Headline number 3. Even tech giants fight over AI talent. For job seekers, this means non-compete and IP knowledge is becoming a hiring filter. Hugging Face. Open source AI matters more than ever. Headline before. The platform now hosts over 1 million models. Learning to use Hugging Face is a resume booster because employers want hands-on, open-source experience. Raised $26.5 billion in the biggest foreign IPO in U.S. history. Headline number 5. The AI chip boom is real. Hardware roles, chip design, data center ops are growing fast, but software roles, ML, deployment, are growing even faster. Meta removed a controversial AI feature on Instagram after backlash, headline number 2. AI ethics and user trust are now mainstream concerns. Roles in AI safety, policy, and responsible AI are on the rise. The one thing to remember this week: fine-tuning is the skill that connects this week's AWS news, NVIDIA's models, and real-world hiring at companies like Henry Schein One. Master it, and you'll stand out in any AI job interview. Conclusion and key takeaways. You're ahead of 90% of people just by spending 7 minutes on your AI career this Sunday. Keep showing up, and you'll land that role before the end of the year. Don't forget, subscribe every Sunday, 7 a.m. for your weekly AI career guide. Next Sunday, how to build your first AI agent with LangChain. No coding experience required. Drop your biggest AI question below. I read every comment.